It is with great pleasure that I welcome you today to the Disaster Risk Reduction and Media Action Climate Workshop. Firstly, I would like to express our deepest appreciation and a special acknowledgement and appreciation to thank Real Estate Training Institute for hosting this workshop today. Without you, we wouldn't be able to communicate with our media representatives and send our message to the world to make it more resilient.
Proptech can reduce the real estate industry's 40% global CO2 emission, if you are aware of that. So 40% of the CO2 emissions comes from a real estate industry, and that's way too much, we believe. And I think the technology, on property technology, definitely can contribute in reducing that big time.